and 4 new hardware bolts. Hey YouTube, Aaron Davis here with another really quick product review. What we have here today is a B8 2-liter VDO throttle body. Accompanying it is a throttle body gasket and new hardware to mount it to the intake manifold. When your throttle body fails, you're going to notice that your car is not accelerating correctly or not accelerating at all. It's causing improper airflow to the engine, or it's starving it from air. So you're going to see a check engine light on your dash, and when you scan it, you're going to see a fault code for throttle body position sensor. It's an internal sensor that you cannot replace, so you have to replace the whole mechanism. This is a very easy job. It's located right there on the intake manifold, held in by 4 Torx. Should take no less than like 15 minutes to do. Note though, in this kit that it comes with this rubber O-ring gasket, and this only applies for the plastic intake manifolds. If you have the 2-piece aluminum intake manifold, the gasket is actually a metal gasket. It doesn't look anything like this, so please take note of that. This has been another really quick product review. If you liked the video, like and subscribe. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment box below, and I hope to see you soon.